Hello and welcome to Exactix, brought to you by UDigNY. In this video, we will learn how to utilize Exactix on a mobile device as a web user who has been assigned dual roles and permissions. This guide is for users who are both an excavator and member facility operator. As an excavator, they have the excavator tickets role, and as a member facility operator, they have the member positive response role. The following topics will be covered in this video. Accessing Exactix on a mobile device. Intro to Exactix, menu, and settings. Navigating the tickets dashboards and views. Understanding each ticket item line. Utilizing filters and sort option. Viewing a ticket. Ticket actions. Work completed. Add response. How to reach out for help. Let's get started. When using a mobile device to access Exactix, you will need to open your mobile web browser. Google Chrome is the preferred web browser, however, it is supported in Safari, the Apple device web browser. Once you open your web browser, visit exactix.udigny.org. Please note, depending on your web browser settings, this will open a search results page or bring you to the login page. If it opens a search results page, select the result listed, Exactix and Tickets UDigNY. Then scroll down till you see Access Exactix to submit and respond to a location request. Clicking that will take you to the login page. Once on the login page, enter your username and password. Then tap Sign In. Usually, your username is set up to be your email address. If you do not have your password, tap on the Reset/Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset the password. If you need help logging into Exactix, please contact member support at 800-309-8289, option 1. Once you are logged into Exactix, you will land on the home page, where you can read announcements or go to the Tickets Dashboard button. The Announcements section is where you can read any notices about maintenance, new features, upcoming training, and events by UDigNY. Sometimes there may be more than one announcement. When this occurs, there will be arrows on either side of the announcement. You can tap on these arrows to move between the announcements. At the top of the page, you will find the UDigNY header bar. On the header bar, there is a menu button located in the top left-hand corner. If you tap on the menu button, the menu bar will open. Here you have the options to go to the Tickets Dashboard, Sign Out, Home, which we already covered, and Settings. Tapping on the Settings button located in the top right-hand corner of the menu window will give you the option to change the color scheme and font size. To go back to the menu bar, click on the back arrow button located in the top left-hand corner of the header bar. There are two options to get to the Tickets Dashboard, either from the home page by clicking on the Go to Tickets Dashboard button or by tapping on Tickets from the menu bar. Let's go on to discuss the Tickets Dashboards. Please remember this video will cover Exactix while in a dual role, member, positive response and excavator, tickets roles. Because the web user is in multiple roles, they will have multiple dashboards available depending on which roles and permissions are assigned to them. For this example, the web user is assigned the excavator, tickets and member, positive response roles and will have two dashboards available to switch between My Tickets and My Service area. Exactix defaults to show the My Tickets dashboard first. The My Tickets dashboard is the excavator role dashboard. This dashboard will show location requests that you, the excavator, submitted, whether you called or submitted the location request online. My Service Area dashboard is the member role dashboard. This dashboard will show the location request that your associated member service areas has been notified of and requires a positive response. The current dashboard will be highlighted and is located just below the header bar. To switch between the two dashboards, tap on the Alternate Dashboard button. You will see that it has highlighted the Other Dashboard button. Each ticket's dashboard has 4 preset views. Let's break down each dashboard, its preset views, and the different information displayed for the location request item line box for each. The My Tickets dashboard's 4 preset views are Tickets, Expiring Tickets, My Tickets on the Map, and Response Status. Item line boxes for location requests provide essential information about the tickets. The item line boxes shown vary based on which view you are currently using. However, there are 4 item line boxes that are standard in each view. Those are Ticket Type Color Bar, white for regular, red for an emergency, pink for design, blue for a meeting, black for demolition, orange for the short notice, and yellow for gas emergencies. Site address, street, or intersection. Place, city, town, or village. Ticket number. Now, let's walk through each of the preset views. Tickets view is set to show location requests you created in the past 60 days. This view is set to sort the newest location request to the oldest by the taken date. The taken date is the day the location request was submitted. Each location request line item box shows important information. In addition to the 4 standard item line boxes shown in this view, you will also see, from left to right, Excavator complete checkmark, company name, type of work start date and time. You can also search for a specific ticket number by entering it in the filter by ticket number search field. You do need to enter the ticket number with dashes. This option is available on multiple views. The expiring tickets view is set to show location requests that will expire in the next 5 days. It is also set to sort by the expiration date, from the earliest to expire to the latest. Each location request line item box shows important information. Along with the 4 standard item line boxes shown in this view, you will also see, from left to right, Excavator complete checkmark, type of work, expiration date and time, taken date and time. The response status view is set to show location requests created in the past 60 days, along with how many responses have been received. It is also set to sort ascending by taken date, newest to oldest. Each location request line item box shows important information. As well as the 4 standard item line boxes shown in this view, you will also see, from left to right, Excavator complete checkmark, type of work, response due, date and time, work start date and time. My Tickets on Map view is a feature that allows you to view your location requests on a map. This feature requires your mobile device to have the location services enabled. On the map, you will find tools available to help you navigate or locate information. Let's discuss these map tools. Magnify Glass will allow you to search the map by location, latitude, and longitude coordinates. Show Map Features, Chat Window. When hovering over a location, an information window will temporarily pop with details. Show Map Information. If you click on a location, the information window will lock on the map until you exit the window. Add Distance, Ruler, allows you to measure a distance. Add Push Pin, add a push pin to mark a location. The push pin is only a visual aid and will not save the location. Toggle Full Screen, diagonal arrow, can expand the map to the size of the screen. Toggle Base Map, 3 vertical lines, switches the view to a view like Google Earth. Zoom In, +sign, moves the map inward to see an area up close. Zoom Out, -sign, moves the map outward to see more area. Other than seeing your location requests from the perspective of where they are on the map and being able to see the ticket location, parcel, street, and place, ticket number, response status, and expiration date, there is no other action currently available. The My Service Areas dashboard has 4 preset views. Those are Service Area Tickets, Response Due, Tickets on Map, and All Responses. The Service Area Tickets view is set to show location requests that were created in the past 60 days and is set to sort descending from newest to oldest location request by the taken date. The taken date is the date the location request was submitted. Each location request line item box shows important information. In addition to the 4 standard item line boxes shown in this view, you will also see, from left to right, company name, type of work, service area, response status code and title, work start date and time, response due date and time. The response due view is set to show location requests that require a response or an updated response due in 48 hours. The view is set to sort descending by response due date and time. There is an additional option to show all open tickets needing a positive response or updated response. The Show All option is located just below the Response Due header bar, and this view is highly recommended by UDIG-NY to view and respond to location requests. This view will show all open tickets needing a response. The due dates for these tickets will be in the range between 48 hours to 10 days. This option will also include late, dig delay, and now due tickets. Once a response is entered on a location request, it will automatically be removed from this view. If you respond with a dig delay, the ticket will remain on this view to remind you that a positive response is needed at the end of the 48-hour extension. Each location request line item box shows important information. Along with the 4 standard item line boxes shown in this view, you will also see, from left to right. Company name, service area, response status code and title, work start date and time. Ticket function is the functionality of the ticket such as new, locate again, cancel, correction, demolition, now due, late, damaged, or discovered line. Response due date and time. You can also search for a specific ticket number by entering it in the filter by ticket number search field. Remember to enter the ticket number with dashes. The All Responses view is set to show location requests created in the past 14 days and show if they have a response along with sorting the location requests, descending by work start date and time. Each location request line item box shows important information. In addition to the 4 standard item line boxes shown in this view, you will also see, from left to right, company name, type of work, response status code and title, work start date and time, ticket type, ticket function. Each dashboard allows you to create your views outside of the preset views. It is important to note that you should never use a filtered view you created when it comes to viewing and responding to location requests. This is due to a filter not showing all location requests. It is highly recommended to always use the response due view on the My Service Area dashboard. To access the filter/sort window, you will need to tap on the filter button located in the right-hand corner of the menu header bar. Once the filter window opens, you have 2 sides, filter and sort. Depending on which dashboard you are on, you can filter certain information. Here are some examples of information to filter. Company names, place, city, town, or village, street, parcel, street, or intersection, ticket number, work start date, specific date or range of time, work type, excavation work to be performed. You can add a filter by tapping on the green plus sign button located in the bottom right-hand corner. You can then select which field you want to filter. Once the field is selected, you will then need to determine what information you want to view. Some of the filters will be a search text, which means you need to type all possible options, select a specific date or a date range, or check boxes. The other option is to sort your selected filters or sort a preset view ascending or descending, newest to oldest, or vice versa, and it depends on the ticket field you select to sort. You can change the sort by selecting the arrow located to the right of the selected field. A down-pointing arrow is descending, and an upward-pointing arrow is ascending. Once you have added your filters and sorts, tap on the View eyeball located in the top right-hand corner of the header bar. This will open up your new view per your filter, or sort. You can remove a filter or sort by tapping on the trash can located on the right side of the field item line in the filter/sort window. If you feel something is missing from your created views, you need to review your filters or use the preset views to ensure you do not miss something important. To view the ticket information, tap on the location request item box. This will open the ticket text view and will also have the bottom toolbar where you can move between the following views of the location request: ticket, map, responses, and service areas. The ticket displays all ticket information from the excavator contact and site contact information, work type and work start date, site information, and additional work information. The map displays the excavator's mapped work site. This information is to show where the work is taking place, for example, parcel, between streets, intersections, or cross-county. Responses will display the member facility operators who were notified of the excavation and their response status. When viewing a location request in a member role, you will only see your associated service area's response status. If you are in the excavator role view, you will see all member facility operators' response statuses. Service areas will display the notified member facility operators, their facility types, and contact information. If you are in the member role view, you will only see your associated service area information. If you are in the excavator role view, you will see all the notified member facility operators' information. Please note that if you are an excavator and need to follow up with a member facility operator due to marking concerns, where you can find the contact information for that member. Depending on which roles and permissions you have, some actions can be taken from the ticket view. You will see an Actions button with 3 vertical dots located in the top right-hand corner of the header bar. If the location request is one that you, as the member facility operator, need to respond to, you will have an added response on the Actions window. If you are the excavator and viewing the location request, you will have the option to mark work completed under the Actions window. Let's go over each of these actions in more depth. Because this video demonstrates a dual role, member, positive response and Excavator, ticket creation, you will find that depending on which dashboard and view you are on, your available actions will change. If you submit a location request that is also notifying your associated member service area, you will be able to add response and also mark work completed. However, if you submit a location request but it is outside of your member service area coverage, you will only see this location request on your My Tickets dashboard, and the only action available from the action window is to mark work completed. Mark work completed is only for the Excavator purposes and does not show or notify the member facility operators. This feature is used to remove location requests from your tickets view so you only see your active location requests. You can select the box Show Completed Tickets located just below the ticket dashboard options under the header bar. When Show Completed Tickets are selected, IT will filter the completed tickets in with your active tickets, not marked completed. You will also see the green check mark on the left side of the location request item box. When you select a location request that your associated service area received, you can enter a response in 3 locations, clicking the Actions button located on the top right-hand side of the header bar and selecting Add Response, selecting your service area item line either on the Responses and Services Areas option from the bottom toolbar within the ticket view. All 3 of these options will open the Add Response window. The Add Response window will have the following fields: Service Area, Response, Comment, and depending on your response type, you may have utility type. The service area will be auto-filled with the associated service area the response is entered for. Response is for the response code, 10, clear, 30 marked, etc. Comments are for you to type any notes for the Excavator. Please note that if the Excavator is listening to their responses from the 1-888 diggers, they will not receive the comments. If your service area is set up with a utility response type, the utility type field will be auto-filled with a specific utility for a response as needed. Once you have your response entered, tap on the Save button located in the top right-hand corner of the header bar, and your response will be saved. Please note that if you respond with a dig delay, code 55, you are required to update your response code by the end of the 48-hour extension. When you view the Response tab or even the Service Area tab within the Location Request ticket, check to see if your service area hasn't responded. If so, your current response status will be tagged as No Response, which means no response has been entered yet. If you respond with a dig delay, code 55, your response status will be listed as Not Complete. Once you enter a positive response, the response status will be listed as Complete. If there is something we did not cover or you have questions, we have several resources available for you over on our website at udigny.org. You can find our guides and FAQs by going to our resources page. The guides and FAQs are great for a reference on using Exactix and other aspects of udigny. You will find our support desk at my.udigny.org. We have 2 support desks available: Exactix support for members and Exactix support for excavators. The Member Support Desk is for member facility operators needing assistance with responding to tickets, updating their service area maps, or changes to their member information. The Excavator Support Desk is for excavators needing assistance with ticket creation in Exactix or updating their excavator information. You can also call our support line at 800-309-8289. Option 1 is for member support, and Option 2 is for web services, ticket creation. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to udigny on YouTube for more helpful videos.